Hi there! Let's learn how to manage your team. To manage a team in Squadin, we need to switch to the management profile of that team. Start by tapping your profile icon to open the sidebar. In the Switch Profile card, tap it and a list of profiles will appear. Find your team profile and select it. Your team profile will now open in management mode. From here, tap the Actions card. You'll see two options, Edit Team and Add Member. Tapping Edit Team opens the team form, with the same fields as when you first created the team. An extra input is also available, the team profile URL, which is the public link to your team's profile. Make any updates you need, including changing the team logo and cover photos. Tap Continue until you reach the Save button. Then tap it to confirm your changes. Your updates will be saved. Tapping Add Member lets you add players to your team profile. Adding a member simply shows them as part of the team in games. It does not give them admin rights. Enter the player's phone number and search. If the user exists, they will appear. Choose their role, or leave it empty, and define whether they are a player or a non-player member, like a manager. You can also assign a jersey number if needed. Finally, tap Add Team Member, and the player will be listed in your team. If you want someone to help manage the team, open the Admins tab at the bottom. Tap New Admin and search by phone number. Once you find the user, add them as an admin. They'll now have the same management access as you. Both of you co-manage the team. This is how you can manage your team in Squadin, from editing details to adding members and admins.